Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms to help you get started or decide on which of these AI platform will be a best social media tools for you. So to get started with a quick overview, so we're talking about the Buffer AI. Buffer is a inventory social media scheduling and publishing tools built for individual creators and small teams who want a simple way to plan, queues, and analyze posts. It is well known for its clean and UI together with the easy content calendar. I'm talking about Blaze AI on the other side. It's an AI-powered content repurposing tools designed to help creators and marketers transform existing content like blog posts, YouTube videos, and podcasts into a bit-sized format such as Instagram, carousels, tweet, reels, and also Blaze AI content first, not a traditional schedulers. I'm talking about what these platforms are best at. Starting with the Buffer AI, is best for solopreneurs, small businesses, and creators needing the scheduling and a light analytics. Then on the other side, Blaze AI is best for a marketers, content creators looking to repurpose content into a short form. I'm talking about the strength of this platform, starting with Buffer. So Buffer has a clean and a user-friendly interface together with a multi-platform publishing for like Instagram, LinkedIn, X, Facebook, and TikTok. It also has a built-in link for shorteners and post analytics together with has a free plan available, which is for Buffer AI. Then on the other side, talking about the strength of Blaze AI, just has an AI turn blogs, videos, podcasts into a trend and a carousel together with reels. And also it has a huge time savers for content teams and agencies. It also has a polished template and a social first design. And talking about the viral conclusion about these two platforms, you can simply go for Buffer if your goal is to schedule and manage social posts efficiently with a light footprint and an intuitive workflow. Then on the other side, I can just opt for Blaze AI if you already produce a long form content and what you want is to automate repurposing into a viral friendly format without manually rewriting or designing posts. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about or what your takes about these two platforms. Thanks.